Can a haircut make your head look bigger? Yes, in fact, it can. So look at this haircut, for example. If you have someone who has maybe a larger shaped head or a rounded shaped head, well, if you have a haircut like this that is cut more on a rounded shape, then it's going to create fullness. Round shapes and round haircuts, they create fullness. And if you want to learn more about shapes for your haircuts and the best face shapes for them, you can buy my downloadable PDF ebook for only $10 frigging dollars. $10, one for men's hair, one for women's hair. The red one is for men, the pink one is for women's hair. And you can learn haircut shapes. You can buy them right here. You want to get better haircuts? $10, that's it. So a rounded shape like this is going to make your head look larger no matter what. Even if you have a smaller head, this creates fullness. So what you need to do is understand the opposite of round, which is, it could be square, could be triangular, anything to do with not creating a round, fuller shape, meaning having layers that are much shorter up here, especially on curlier hair. It's going to make your hair look larger, right? Your head look a little bit bigger. Here's an example of what a square shape layer would be. You could see night and day difference. This is going to create fullness in the hair, a rounded shape like this, and this is creating more of a flatter shape because of the way I layered this. And just to show you what square layers are, when you pull the hair up from the head like so, and anytime you cut the corner, you see that part right there? That's the corner. Because I left this corner, it's allowing me to have more weight in through here, making the hair closer to the head. So a squared layered shape is cut this way and then this way. You're basically creating a box on your head. So watch this. When I pull this out, there's the corner right there. So I left that corner, and then let's get even a little bit closer. There's the corner, and I'm leaving that corner. So watch, as it falls, I can comb this down and look how flat it is to the head. Same thing with like a triangular shape, meaning it's shorter in through the back and it goes longer and heavier towards the front. So a square shape, again, it's cut this way and this way. It literally is a square on top of your head. That's going to make your head look more narrow. It's going to make it look closer, the hair closer to the head. So it's doing the opposite of creating volume. Here's another example on a mannequin head that may have a little more fullness to it. Let's just say you do have, a hair texture that has some more fullness to it. But once again, even though this is more of a wavier texture, the hair is cut on a square shape because you can see it's layered here, but then the corners are left here, so it's actually weighing it down right in through here. If I wanted to make this more like the first mannequin where it was more rounded and a more fuller shape, then I would create layers and pull everything out from the head this way. But for this situation, I want to leave some length down in through here and some weight in through here, and that's why I'm able to make it a little more flatter to the head, so the head looks more narrow, and then the layers are more down in here, creating fullness in through this part. So it's creating that kind of triangular shape. So the opposite of round, again, would be more of a square shape and a triangular shape. If you want to get better haircuts, you want to know more about haircutting than the professional cutting your hair, then you need to purchase my ebooks. They're downloadable ebooks. After you purchase them, they're only $10 each, one for men's hair, one for women's hair. And after you purchase it, wait just a couple of seconds for it to load, and then you can download it, and then you'll also get an email with a download link that's specifically for you. It'll have your name on it because you purchased it. That's how unique it is. So you can learn about haircuts and shapes to get better haircuts and figure out what's the best haircut for you. So let me know if this video was helpful to you. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you soon.